Hello, my friends. So I'm hosting this Zoom meeting, right? And I got my friend's credentials because it's his meeting, and I'm not used to like not being able to assign somebody as a co-host, right? To like defeat Zoom bombers or whatever they happen to, have to do. They can help out, right? So I'm hosting the meeting all by myself, and that's fine. It was fine. We didn't have any problems. But what if I wanted to assign someone as a co-host, right? So let's say the host is Harvey, and I want to assign Pittsburgh Pat as the co-host. Now, normally I would go over here to more. I would click on that, and it would say, so I can make Pittsburgh Pat the host, but then if I do that, Harvey loses the host ability, right? So we don't want to do that. There should be something on this menu that says make co-host, but it's not here. And I'm looking down here in security, and it's not here. And there's no other menus that would make sense. Reactions, record, pulse. So how do I do that? Well, the problem is I can't do it from inside this meeting. I actually have to go to a web browser and pull up the Zoom web portal. Okay, so now we're on Zoom. So it's Zoom US sign in. So we're going to sign in now. I'm going to pause the video here because I can't give up my friend's credentials. So just hang on, bear with me a second. Great. So once you're signed in, you hit sign in, and then you come to this here, which is an anti. So I got to pick all the crosswalks. I hope that's right. Crosswalks. Crosswalk, crosswalk, crosswalk. Crosswalk, crosswalk, crosswalk. Are you serious? Okay, we're going to pause this. Okay, so once you get through that infuriating security setup so that they can decide you're not a robot, you can go to the side here, and under personal, you can hit settings, right? So if you hit settings, you can go to in-meeting settings, right? Under basic in-meeting settings. Now, there's these toggle switches. You can turn on and off. So blue means on, gray means off. So require encryption for third-party endpoints. I have no idea what that means, but that's off. Chat is on, okay? Private chat is on. Auto-saving chats is off. Sound notifications off. You get the idea. So go all the way down to co-host. Allow the host to add co-hosts. Co-hosts have the same in-meeting controls as the host. Why that is switched off, I have no idea. But we're going to switch that on so that we can have co-hosts in our Zoom meeting now. All right. So now I have to see if there's anywhere here I have to save this or if I'm just done. Okay. I think I'm done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Zoom meeting. I'm going to go to the menu. And nope, it looks like I might have to restart the meeting in order for that to work. So let me restart the meeting. I'm going to pause here and we'll see if I got the settings to work. All right, so we ended the meeting and restarted the meeting, okay? And now you can see, okay, Harvey's the host. Pittsburgh Pat is just a regular old participant right now. But now that we had changed through the Zoom portal, the option, and we hit that toggle switch, I hit more, and now under make host, there's also make co-host. So I can click that, and then it asks you if you really want to do this, and you hit yes. And now Pittsburgh Pat is co-host and has all of the same abilities as the host. So be careful whom you delegate this power to because it's powerful. So anyway, that's how you get co-hosting ability enabled in Zoom. You have to do it outside the program through the web portal and have to have the proper credentials to do so. So have a great day. Smash a like for me if this helped you, and see if you can help somebody else. Take care. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.